we're going to take these supplies to make this ocean painting. Hi everybody, it's Jessica and welcome to another week of Make, Shape, Create. Today we are going to be making a spray paint painting. I'm actually going to be doing a seascape, so I'm going to be using this really nice textured spray paint that I used in making the Finding Nemo lamp to make the sand. And then I have different shades of blue, and then I have a yellow, and I have a white for the sun, and then Cory just handed me this dark purple just in case I want to use it. So I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Probably for the water, but I'm not sure. All right, so let's get started.
So for the sun, we're going to need a couple templates. These are, I guess, made circles using what I had around. Use an X-Acto knife, cut them out. We're going to use both the circle and the negative circle. So here we go.
All right, so first I'm going to put on this Oasis blue, and we're going to put this on like right about here. We already have the sun template down. I have to spray paint directly down because if I spray paint under, the paint's going to go underneath this and it's just going to cover up the white. So we're going to do that blue first, and then I'm going to do the aqua blue, so it kind of looks like the sky's fading down into the water line. So let's go ahead and do that.
Right like that. Look at that. And it faded just a little bit, but not too much. That's good. So what's next?
Next is the textured spray paint. We're gonna do sand. So I'm actually gonna go diagonal. So I'm gonna probably go from like here up to this corner.
Because some of that's not gonna cover with water, but
yeah,
that way it's underneath what you want to do. You always want to do what's farthest behind or what's underneath stuff first, because then you layer on top of it. So if you can get it open.
Yeah, all right.
Here we go.
There we go. Okay, ready?
Yep. You're gonna want to shake it up really good. Like really, really good because it's textured. So we are using our space heater to try to accelerate the drying. It's actually working pretty good. You can also use a hairdryer, but Jess doesn't use a hairdryer, so I don't think we have one, and I think a heat gun would be a little too much because we're not trying to catch it on fire. I'm pretty sure spray paint is flammable. Anyway, be back in a minute. Get this lined up.
I gotta put those gloves on. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, it's going under. What the hell?
Is it going under? It is.
Heh. That's alright. We'll fix it.
That drives me crazy.
Is it?
I don't want to go down too low because I don't want that much dark.
No, my outfit is pointing in the right direction. There we go. I mean, it's okay if it bled a little bit, because, I mean, in the horizon it would blur.
Reflect up.
Just because it's not bugging me if we don't do it. this a little more like more of a diagonal.
All right, so I'm gonna take this blue again, this lighter blue, and we're gonna put it over the dark. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it kind of semi-dry, and I'm gonna make waves. I'm gonna use a piece of plastic wherever it disappeared to, and we're gonna, oh, there it is, and we're gonna make waves in the paint. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay.
Yep.
How much do I need to do? Just like spritz?
No, you're gonna cover it.
Really? Okay. Are you ready?
Yep. You're literally gonna take this and crumble it up. Actually, you probably want to go get a paper towel. Go run and get paper towels real quick. I thought this would absorb more. There it is. I want to figure out where.
What are you looking for?
The clean foam brush that I didn't use yet. Ah, there we go. Try and make it a little random, you know what I mean?
I do too. I'm gonna say I kind of like that actually.
See?
Okay.
That's called problem solving.
Yes, it is.
On the fly.
Actually, looks really good.
Alright, so now what I do is...
Same method.
Well, yeah, I'm going to do that method because I think that works for us a lot better.
Okay.
So I'm going to use the... What is this?
Aqua or?
Yeah, the aqua.
The white.
The white for the foam. And like, if you don't have a sponge brush, you could totally just use a kitchen sponge to do this.
That actually looks really good, babe. Good job.
The funny thing is, guys, that, like, above all else, I consider myself an artist, but yet she doesn't trust the artist. Well, actually, she doesn't usually believe me in most stuff until I prove her wrong. Is that inaccurate, honey?
Nope, that's accurate.
What did you call it the other day? Ice me a shaking opinion. So you notice I switched over to the side of my thing where I don't have as much paint to actually try to pull a little bit up. keep messing with it. So.
All right.
All right. So, you want me to continue or you want to take over?
No, you can continue, I guess.
I guess you like what I'm doing.
Yeah, it's fine. Now what are you doing?
So, we're going to work on this sun real quick. I got to find this bigger one of these. As you saw at the beginning, we cut two sizes out. One's a little bigger than the other, right like this. So while I did leave that white, I'm gonna go back over this white. Here. Where's my white? Where's my white? Where's my white? This one's gonna be tricky.
Ta-da!
See what I mean now?
Yep.
Where it kind of fades a little bit. Like actually, it probably could fade a little more now that I look at it. But
No, it's fine. I like it the way it is.
you sure?
Yeah, I like it that way.
Do you want clouds?
Sure, put some clouds in there. And now we let it dry.
And I think for the most part, we're done. Actually, you know what? This is just not buggy. The center should be wider, that's all.
Okay.
So, we're gonna let this dry, see how we feel about it in like 20 minutes.
You can't leave it alone.
I can't. I'm not trying to tear up paint. I'm trying to put down more in a precise way. I like that better.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay.
I leave it alone.
For now.
Alright guys, this is our ocean painting. I think it turned out really good. I'm not going to ask him what he thinks. He wants to add more color and more stuff, and I just don't want to. I think it looks fine the way it is. So I just want to thank our Patreons for supporting our videos. And if you'd like to become a Patreon, you can check us out at patreon.com/MakeShapeCreate. On Facebook and Twitter, we are at MakeShapeCreate. And on Instagram, it's make_shape_create. And check us out. Follow us and hit the little subscribe button and like, and we'll see you next week. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.